Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a solution to a problem that is a error in in case of you are installing Flutter packages in your project. Not all countries are facing that problem, especially countries Bangladesh, Nigeria. They are facing that problem. The problem that they are facing that whenever they are trying to install a Flutter package, they are getting an error called connection terminated during handshake. So now I will show the solution to that problem. So let's try to install a Flutter package. Let's copy that dependency in our Flutter project. So let's copy it and just run that command flutter pub get. So you can see that we are getting that error connection terminated during handshake. So in order to solve that problem, we need to run a VPN. So our local ISP is not permitted to access that package. So we are starting our VPN, and then if I run that command again, so you can see that process is successful. So that is the problem the Bangladeshis and Nigerian people are facing nowadays. So that was the solution for that problem. Thank you.